My name is Brandon Albert. I'm the Public Safety Notifications Coordinator for the state of Texas through Texas Department of Public Safety. To us, it's important that we reach as many people as we possibly can during an emergency or during an event. And the Everbridge notification system has the ability to do that through networking. Our implementation was pretty simple in the beginning. We needed something that would replace a pre-existing notification system that we had. We were just using basic emails and things of that nature. The Everbridge team helped with our implementation by bringing in an account executive that laid out what a successful rollout would look like. And we had a stand-up meeting every week or at least once a month to hit key strides along the way on our roadmap, and we would have constant check-ins. If you ever had a question or needed expert advice, that person would be the one to provide it for us. Over the years, we had to learn to trust our employees. That was the biggest thing. We managed to do that by setting up templates and trying to automate as much as we can of the notification process. About a year after, we went from having one person to about 200 people who can send in our notification platform. During the most recent governor's inauguration, we used the Everbridge notification system to outline the timeline of the event itself throughout the day. We were able to tell our employees where they needed to be at all times. We were able to provide documentation that they may need. We were also able to push any missing children or people to that nature throughout the day and help return those individuals to their families. The best way that I can describe Everbridge for the Texas Department of Public Safety is the ability to build trust with your employees who have never sent a notification before. Everbridge will make it seamless to where you can set up the language, you can set up everything, the contacts, and all that in-person has to do is just fill in the who, what, when, where, and how. For us, that saves a lot of time and makes it to where we can send notifications in a timely manner.